This is Duke University.
We created lampshades from scratch. First we had to go through the process of designing on paper and getting all the dimensions in, and then we had to put it into the software, which was quite difficult, but it was a good experience.
The 3D printing camp at Duke is an opportunity for students to take these crazy and wonderful and wild ideas that they have in their head and actually see the production of it. Instead of just thinking about it or even sketching it or even using software to do it, it allows them to take it to the next level and see, does it actually work? Do my designs do what they need to? And if they don't, what do I do to fix it? So if you could think of 3D printing as two-dimensional printing that occurs over and over and over and over, building up on that depth axis. The way I've heard it described before is a fancy glue gun. You put plastic filament in the extruder on the machine heats it up, and then layer by layer it slices your product into infinite levels and then cools it down, and then you're able to take that off the print bed and actually hold the device that you designed in your hand.
Some people have 3D printers in their schools, but I've never seen a 3D printer before, so this is my first experience with it.
They just like the idea of building things and creating things, and that inspiration that you get from, at the end of the day, you know that you took an idea and you made something from it. Whether it worked or not, that process that you gained along the way is invaluable.
It's so much fun because it's great to see something start at zero and just an idea, and then fully come to life out of a printer, which is really, really cool.
Yeah, students have a great time when they see that this design that they've sketched out, they actually see it working in progress. And I often see them bring their peers over, their classmates over, and say, look what it's doing, and they just watch that creation taking place. And they also watch it mess up, and that's an invaluable thing to gain from that too. Not only do they design it and work with really intensive software that's used in the industry, Autodesk Inventor, the students also get to print that object and see if not only does the design work in theory, but does it work in real life. The 3D printing camp is an excellent opportunity if you're interested in learning 21st century skills, if you're learning how to manufacture ideas that you have and just take your ideas to the next level from a design and idea to an actual creation.
I think it's going to be the future, because right now it's so small and it's just still so amazing, and the possibilities are endless between building little toys or building buildings. It really is endless.